Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the brick traffic light recipe in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has an event that called Modular Street like this, and in this event there is a battle pass where you can unlock lots of cool rewards. One of them is brick traffic light like this. And to get this recipe or to get this furniture, you need reach battle pass level 35 like this. And how do you level it up until this level? So to level it up, you need to collect the festival points. This one, you can get these points from the town festival catalog that is available each week like this. Just complete all the quests and then you can unlock these festival points. And you can also get these points from the limited collections like this. You can get these points from here, and then next you can also get the festival points from the daily quest or weekly quest. So make sure to keep doing the event tasks and claim all the rewards, all the points, and once you finally reach level 35 you will unlock this recipe, the brick traffic light recipe. And after that you can just go to your workbench and craft it anytime, because this recipe will be unlocked automatically and it will add it to your workbench. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.